Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this Assa lock that I got from Lock Fumbler. Can just move it enough so I can tell that it's open after picking. And he sent this to me with a bunch of other nice stuff for Christmas. So I wanted to at least pick one of the things, and since this is the only 5-pinner, I thought maybe this is a good idea to try to open first. Let's see what we can find inside. I'm going with medium tension now. There's nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, 4 is binding tightly. Little click, another little click. 5 was binding. Nothing else that I can feel. 4 again. Nope. 3 now. Nope. Okay, let's start from the beginning. 1. Yes. Feels like it's binding. No, there was our click. Nothing on 2, 3. Was binding but not clicking. Something missing here. Let's start over, that wasn't nice. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 4. I think I straight skipped 3, yeah. Yeah. 5 now. Got it. Nothing else on 4. There was 1. Nothing on 2. We'll click on 3. Not satisfying though. There was 5. Nothing else on 4. 3, and we're open, I think. Let's get this out of there. Sorry for bumping the vice there. Alright. Yes. I think this is as far as it gets. Quarter rotation here. This is where we started, this is where we are now. And maybe we should have a look inside, see what this is about. If I can take this apart. I seem to remember that these cannot be taken apart. So Lock Fumbler, pick one of those. Okay, you can take that off. That there. And I think then we're stuck. Yeah. So you can probably take this apart. I just do not know how we go about this, and I don't want to wreck it. Such a nice present. Lock Fumbler, thank you so much for sending this my way. Everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Assa pick, and see you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.